back to my channel everyone. I am Hirok. You are watching my YouTube channel Vlogger H. Today I am at this beautiful location shooting the beautiful baby out here, the Mahindra Mojo 2020, the ABS version BS6 compliant. The Mojo has always been a successful product in case of the specs for Mahindra. Well, it has all the abilities to go on-road and off-road. The touring capabilities are far way better than any other bikes in the India market as compared to the KTM Adventure 390 and the Royal Enfield Himalayan. This is not that capable, but it has all the facilities that it has in its class that any other bike does not offer. Let's see what else do the Mahindra Mojo offers. The 2020 Mahindra Mojo has launched with the BS6 compliant engine with ABS as standard. The Mahindra Mojo comes up with 295cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine which produces 25.3 horsepower at 7,500 rpm and 25.5 Nm of torque which comes up around 6,000 rpm. We can't say this is an underpowered vehicle. Power delivery is quite linear, but you will never feel it's an underpowered vehicle. There are no vibrations in the vehicle. That's a very strong point for Mahindra Mojo. Seats are very wide, very comfortable for the rider as well as the pillion. So long touring with the pillion on, I don't think it will be a problem. The disc brakes is one of the largest in its segment and it comes with 320mm pedal disc which does its job very well. The seating posture is very unique, very upright, and you don't have to lean forward for riding. You can go as long as you want and it won't be a problem for you. The instrument cluster is quite unique. It is an analog digital one. The tachometer is present in the analog section which makes it more sportier. And the rest information like the digital trip meter, the digital speedometer, clock, fuel gauge indicator and the odometer, everything comes in the digital portion. One thing it's lacking behind is the gear shift indicator. Mahindra Mojo comes with a telescopic forks which increases its off-road touring capability. Instead of the dual exhaust, this time the 2020 Mahindra Mojo comes with a single exhaust, but fortunately or unfortunately, some will like it, some will definitely not like it. The engine sound has drastically decreased. So I don't know, some of you might like it, some of you might not like it, but for me it's a plus point. Refinement can be seen in the mid-range and also in the top end. The initial pickup is far more better than the previous generation one, yes, but the raw power is not that great. This bike offers the Pirelli tires. These are mainly road biased, but you won't hesitate taking this bike off-road. That's about it guys, the complete review of the Mahindra Mojo 2020, the ABS. If your budget is 1.9 to 2.1 lakhs ex-showroom, then you might consider the Mahindra Mojo 2020 ABS. Do follow me on Instagram at vlogger_h. See you soon in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care.